कंप्यूटर क्लास 5 ABC सब्सक्राइब SK सिंह विक्रमगंज। Okay, today we are going to provide a video for DAV students, computer class 5, all sections A, B and C. Okay, here first thing, figure of RAM. Okay, now next figure, here you are seeing a disk. Okay, now there is pen drive. Now question answer chapter 1. What is memory? Memory stores our information. It has two types: primary memory, secondary memory. What is primary memory? Primary memory is the internal memory. It has two types, RAM and ROM. What is RAM? It stands for random access memory. It is short form memory and volatile in nature. What is ROM? It stands for read only memory. Now next thing, it is long term memory and non-volatile in nature. What is secondary memory? Since the storage capacity of primary memory is limited, so we need another memory. This memory is called secondary memory. Example, hard disk, CD, etc. What is hard disk? A hard disk is a non-volatile device. It stores our data permanently. It is fixed inside a CPU. What is pen drive? Pen drive is portable device which is used to transfer files from one computer to another computer. What is bit? The smaller unit of memory is called bit. It stands for 0 and 1. 0 means off and 1 means on. 4-bit nibble, 8-bit byte, 1024 byte, that is equal to 1 kilobyte, 1024 kilobyte, that is equal to 1 megabyte. Now chapter 2. What is desktop? The first screen that comes after booting is called desktop. What is icons? The small pictures on desktop are called icons. What is taskbar? The long bar at the bottom of the desktop is called taskbar. What is file? A file is a collection of information. Okay. What is folder? A folder is used to keep similar files together. What are subfolders? When folder contains other folders which are called the subfolders. What is Windows Explorer? It is an application that provides detailed information about files. Revision. What is memory? It stores our information. It has two types, primary memory, secondary memory. What are bit? The smallest unit of memory is called the bit. It stands for 0 and 1. 0 mean off, 1 mean on. 4-bit, 1 nibble, 8 nibble, 1 byte, 1024 byte, 1 kilobyte, 1024 kilobyte, 1 megabyte. What is desktop? The first screen come after booting is called desktop. What is file? File is the collection of information. Draw one figure of secondary memory. Windows. Okay. Here set as alignment in copy. You may observe here written. Also here science fiction show में होंगे सत्यजीत, मिशन मंगल और बाटला हाउस के बीच कड़ा मुकाबला, वीकेंड का इंतजार। गाइड के 54 वर्ष के बाद वहीदा रहमान पहुंची उदयपुर। चैप्टर 3। बिफोर दिस चैप्टर 3 I want to share one thing. Subscribe my channel SK Singh Bikramganj. My channel name is SK Singh Bikramganj. Okay, you may observe there are 203 subscribers, and you should subscribe so that you can get more videos. Okay, what is text alignment? Chapter 3. It is used to set the placement of text horizontally within the document. It has 4 icons: left, right, centered, justified. What are bullets and numbering? Bullets and numbering are used to emphasize list of things and make it easier to read and follow. What is nested list? A list within another list is called nested list. It has multiple levels. What are special characters? Special characters are those that fall outside the basic alphabet of the language. What is header and footers? Headers are the portion of a document that always appear to the top of a page, whereas footers appears at the bottom of a page. Header, footer. Sort out keys. Left, Ctrl +1, right, Ctrl +R, center, Ctrl +E, justified, Ctrl +J, bold, Ctrl +B, helix, Ctrl +1, underline, Ctrl +U. The little plant. In the heart of a seed, buried deep, so deep, a teeny plant lay fast asleep. Wake, said the sunshine, and creep to the light. Wake, said the voice of the raindrops bright. The little plants heard, and it rose to see what the wonderful outside world might be. Okay, you have to write all these things in copy 4. Chapter 4. Before this chapter, I want to share once again. Subscribe my channel SK Singh Bikramganj for latest video. Okay. Chapter 4. What is formatting? Formatting refers to the changing the appearance of text in the documents. What is font? It means that which can be displayed or printed in different ways. How can we check a spelling and grammar? With the help of a spell check the spelling and grammar of a text selection or the entire document. All the incorrect spelling are underlined by wavy red color line, whereas grammatical errors are underlined by green line. What is format painter? Format paint brush tool is used to copy formatting from a text selection and apply the formatting to another text selection. Okay. Now computer test. Write shortcut keys. Cut, Ctrl +X, copy, Ctrl +C, bold, Ctrl +B, italic, Ctrl +I, write, Ctrl +R. What is nested list? A list within another list is called nested list. It has multiple levels. What is font? It means text which can be displayed or printed in different ways. What is desktop? First screen comes after booting is called desktop. What is file? A file is a collection of information. Write to input and output devices. Input devices, mouse and keyboard. Output devices, monitor and speaker. Footers is always found at the bottom of page. Headers is always found at the top of page. Bytes, 8 of these make a byte. Collection of 4 bits are called nibble. Now again chapter 5. But before this chapter I want to share one thing. Subscribe my channel SK Singh Bikramganj. My channel name is SK Singh Bikramganj. What is fontwork? Fontwork is used to create 2D and 3D graphical text and objects. What is gallery? Gallery is a storehouse of pictures. How can we resize of any pictures? With the help of green dots, we can increase or decrease of any picture. Green dots. What is cropping? Cropping is used to remove the unwanted portion from any picture. Write the steps to open fontwork. Click on View toolbar Fontwork. Write the steps to open Gallery. Click on Tools menu Gallery. I hope you are able to write all these things. Fontwork Gallery. OK, cancel, help. Before this chapter, I want to share once again. Subscribe my channel SK Singh Bikramganj so that they will get new video. Okay, chapter 06. What is mail merge? Mail merge is used to send mails to multiple addresses automatically by adding names and address from a database into the letter. Write the steps to create mail merge. Step first, tools, mail merge wizard. Step 2, select a starting document option. Step 3, select document type. Step 4, insert address block. Step 5, create a solution such as MS MRETC. Step 6, adjust the layout. Step 7, edit document. Step 8, we create all our letters one per recipient. Write the steps to open drawing toolbar. Click on View toolbar Drawing. What is table? Table is an excellent tool that is organize the data in the form of rows and columns. Write the step to insert new table. Click Table menu, insert, select tool option. Write the step to insert new row and column. Click on Table menu, insert row column. Write the step to delete row and column. Click on Table menu, delete row column. Okay, I hope you are able to write. There is a figure. Try to draw this figure. Before chapter 7, I will once again suggest you subscribe my channel SK Singh Bikramganj for new video. What is hacking? Hacking is unauthorized access to data of a system. What is presentation? Presentation is a way to share the information in writing using image. What is slide? A slide is like a page of book in the digital form. What is transition? Transition is an animation effect which tells how a slide appears on the screen at the time of presentation. Before chapter 8, I want to share once again, subscribe my channel SK Singh Bikramganj so that they will get new video. What is malware? Malware is a malicious software programmed to steal sensitive and confidential data from any computer over the internet. How can we protect our computer from the viruses? Install firewall, install antivirus software, install anti-spyware software, use complex and secure password. What is virus? Virus is a program that spread over the internet and affect our computer system. Okay, I hope you are able to write all question answers. Revision. Write two input and output device. Input device mouse and keyboard, output device monitor and speaker. How can we resize of any picture? With the help of green dots we can increase or decrease any pictures. Green dots. Write the steps to open drawing toolbar. Click on view toolbar drawing. What is slide? A slide is like a page of book in a digital form. I hope you are able to write all question answer. What is virus? Virus is a program that spread over the internet and affect our computer. Revision. The shortcut key in insert table is Ctrl plus E12, F12. You can open drawing toolbar from virus menu. View menu, here VIEW. Printer is used to get the hard copy of your document. List any 4 fonts of your choice. Font type, font shape, font size, font color. Bold makes the text appear in dark. Template makes the text appear tilde. Open the office, increase help in making presentation. Slide is the electronic page of the presentation. The page of the presentation are called slide. Okay, try to write. I hope you are able to write all question answers, and this is answer of chapter 8. You know there are 8 chapters in computer class 5, and all these answers you have to write in computer copy. I hope you are able to write. And next thing, once again I am suggesting you subscribe my channel SK Singh Bikramganj so that they will get new video. Okay, thank you. Have a nice day.